Jjajang pasta. Slice half a small onion thinly. Chop a little cabbage thinly. Slice a little cucumber thinly for garnish later. This is optional. Cut the shrimp in half. You can use pork instead of shrimp. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. Add about 3.5 ounces spaghetti. Spaghetti is thicker than angel hair, so it takes longer to cook. Follow the time on the package instructions. Boil for 9 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, stir fry the ingredients. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or olive oil. Add the minced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Add onion and cabbage and stir fry well. When the onion becomes translucent, add the shrimp. Add about half tablespoon of soy sauce for seasoning and mix well. Add 3 tablespoons of jjajang powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar, then stir fry well. Add a half cup of water first, then adjust the thickness by adding more water as needed. I put almost 1 cup of water. Boil for an additional 3 minutes. After 9 minutes, drain the pasta and add it into the pan. Mix well. Turn off the heat and add a little sesame oil at the end to enhance the flavor. Plate the pasta first, then pour the rest of the ingredients over it. You can eat it like this, and if you have a cucumber, add a little as a garnish. Very flavorful jjajang pasta is done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.